Hello, hello, OFP Nation. It is Wednesday, October 30th, 2024, and welcome to our analysis for this day. Barry, are you with me?
Can you get me?
I got you. I got
I
you.
wasn't on
That was
stage.
my bad. That was my bad, my friend. I thought I added you to the stage, but apparently I didn't. So here you are. Hola, Agostinho. Agostinho, how do you say welcome in Portuguese? Welcome in Portuguese. I need a lesson today. Hello to those of you who just joined us live. Welcome to our midweek analysis. Man, we are wrapping up the month of October. I feel like it started and now it's gone within a blink. I blinked and now it's gonna be November. So that's crazy.
Yeah.
That is crazy. Okay, so now is it okay? Is it seja bem-vindo? Seja bem-vindo? Or is the J like a seja?
No, it's Portuguese. It's always a
J?
G. The J sounds like a G. That's what I know. Seja,
Seja
sega.
bem-vindo?
No. Yeah.
Okay, so is it number?
Seja bem-vindo.
Is it
Bem.
seja bem-vindo? Is it the first
Yeah.
one? You gotta let us know, Agostinho. We're learning. We're learning. All right, Barry, you ready to get going?
Yeah. I'm born ready.
Born ready. So let's dive into this analysis, guys. Let's see how our watch list is doing since our last analysis on Sunday. It's okay. I'm gonna Google it, Agostinho. Google will tell me how to say it. And then of course we'll take a look at whatever pairs you guys want to look at and kind of go from there. And Barry, I'm giving the stage to you.
Thank you. Right. So let us look already at NAS 100. We are close. We are close to making a new high. We just have a few more pips. We just had one slight retracement, but we should be getting there real soon. And then CAD Swiss, we sort of like bounced off this consolidation. I don't even know where this consolidation is starting from. Sometimes it starts from the bottom here, sometimes it's from the top here. Seems to have touched the top. We bounced off that and we're reversing. So we're yet to see what happens, if maybe we'll make a new high and come back into profit. And for dollar Mexican, I guess we have already messed this one up. So we're just going to close it and wait for another re-entry, since I say that if we go right above here, I'm getting out. So we're out of that. So for now, we're going to be waiting for a break of this trend line. And this time we're going to be really patient and wait for this support to be broken rather than just jumping right into it. So once the trend line is broken and the support is broken, then we'll enter into dollar Mexican. Then pound dollar, we managed to break through and make a new high. Then we pushed down and spiked back up. This was most attributed to news, but let's see how this goes. The stop loss is all the way to the bottom here, and I'll take profit all the way to the top. Same scenario with euro dollar, but euro dollar seems to have held its position. So yeah, it broke this, went past our buy stop, and we're in profit, and I'll take profits all the way up here at 1.09747. So we are yet to see what comes out from that. We're just currently holding 4 trades and we're in a good profit. We just have 2 red trades. And let's look at gold. We hit our take profit. Yeah, we actually did. We hit it at 279. So now, I would say this is a really cautious territory we're supposed to be in, where you need to watch your back and see what the market actually does, because we might actually be making new lows very soon. But as of now, the trend line is sitting right here. This is where the trend line is sitting. So if we have a break of this trend line and a break of support all the way down here, then we could be hoping to short it. But I believe we might have a short-term retracement all the way back here to maybe 2770, then bounce from there, then make a new high. That's what I'm anticipating. Then from there, we might actually see more movement to the downside. But yeah, that's what I'm yet to see. Elections are coming up. Literally 6 days remain. Tuesday is election day. Who win? Trump, Harris? We yet to see what happens. So for now, on gold, let me actually show you the trade. Yeah, it was actually hit today. Where is that? Right here. Yeah. So this was the trade on gold. We held it since last month on the 11th and closed to, oh sorry, it's this month rather. Yes, we held it from this month on the 11th till today on the 30th. Yeah, and it really yielded good results. So we shall see. Once it probably breaks, we might enter into a short position, but maybe a very, very small position, because shorts also, when the market is trending crazy like this, may be unideal at the moment. But yeah, let's move to the next pair. So also pound yen hit our take profit, which is great. We hit our take profit finally at 200, well, close to 200, because our take profit was somewhere at 99,500. So we hit that and we're out. So for now, we'll be looking for some shorting opportunities on pound yen. So this is what we'll do. So it made a new high. This is going to be the trend line. So once the trend line is broken, then maybe we could be looking for this support level to be broken. Then enter into a trade on pound yen. Let's also look at dollar yen. Dollar yen also, the take profit was hit nicely. So there we go. We already reached this level right in the box right above. We hit take profit. So it seems like we're consolidating right now on dollar yen. So one thing we can do is just move this trend line over here. Though it's an iffy trend line, it doesn't seem like we made a new high. So I'm gonna put this trend line probably over here. So once the trend line is broken, once this support level is broken, then we'll be looking to do something. But as for now, we're just watching dollar yen. So I've also covered dollar Mexican, dollar yen. Okay, we've covered our main watch list. And let's look at Euro New Zealand. There was something we said on Euro New Zealand, or rather, we said we're gonna look at it today. Yeah, I remember Agostinho talked about it on Sunday. So Euro New Zealand seems like from the time we looked at it, it bounced off a support level, and we seem to be going higher and higher. This level was already reached. So we seem to be going all the way up here. Like the overall target is this previous high over here. So we seem to be going all the way up there. So long term, this would be a great opportunity, especially this trend line. It's like we just literally forgot all about Euro New Zealand and started doing its thing, because this trend line got broken. It got broken. Resistance was broken. Either one, whichever resistance you might have taken from here, could have been the one here, but better chances would have been the one over here. So this resistance was broken. So if we ended the trade here, put our stop loss there, you would be riding in profit right now and aiming to go all the way to the top here at 18650. So that's where I see us actually going. And this could have been a nice maybe 10 to 1 maybe. No, this looks like a 5 to 1 trade. So this would have been a good 5 to 1 trade. So yeah, we are looking to go all the way up here and fill this pin bar. That's where the market seems to be attracted to. And we only have 2 months to the end of the year. So we might reach here even before the end of the year. We're yet to see. Here. So let's look at US 30. We already looked at NAS 100. So let's look at US 30. So US 30, we are still continuing with our downward trend momentum, and seems like we are coming all the way down to these levels. So we're yet to see how that goes. For now, nothing else to do apart from wait till we reach these levels and probably look for buying opportunities. So let's look now at the other ones like dollar index. So let's just change the platform right here. And let's look at dollar index, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Actually, let's start with Ethereum, I believe. Yeah. And let's see where it went all the way to. And yeah, surprisingly, Bitcoin did reach 70,000, which was the target. We'll look at it in a bit, but let's first look at Ethereum. So Ethereum, it seems that we are still in the bias of a short currently on Ethereum. Our stop loss will definitely be all the way up here. And if you want to enter now, this would be a great opportunity, aiming for the downside, probably all the way here for where we could have touched. So that could be a great one on Ethereum. That's what I'm actually seeing. So for the remainder of the week, a good stop loss all the way up there would be good. Entering right here and take profit all the way here would be ideal for ending the week. That's what I'm anticipating for Thursday, Friday, probably even going into next week. Plus the elections, we might actually see some volatility on crypto, probably a little bit. And also the sentiment seems like there are very few sellers. So that could also be something to also look at. Let's look at now Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, we did reach our target of 70,000. And what does that mean? Well, we might be looking for some shorting opportunities, though this is a very, very steep move right here. So this is how our trend line will be. It's very similar to Bitcoin. Seems Bitcoin, oh sorry, very similar to gold. It seems Bitcoin and gold seem to be moving in a crazy manner, like parabolic moves to the upside. So for this to actually come all the way down here, it would take a lot. So right now we're just going to be looking to probably make a new high, going all the way to 73,000 for one Bitcoin. So once we make that new high, then probably we can plot a trend line from here to there. Then once that trend line is broken, we'll wait for also the break of support. Then maybe we can be looking to enter into a short opportunity on Bitcoin. And let's look at Brent oil. I saw some news that Brent oil is free falling. So let's see where we're at. So this is where we're at. We have actually reached this box area and Brent oil actually made a gap. So this gap would definitely have to be filled. Definitely, definitely. So this was on Monday. So if you're looking at this right now, you would want to definitely want to enter into this trade. In fact, I would definitely enter into this trade because this gap needs to be filled. So everyone who's watching this, just know buys going all the way to $76 per barrel is the way to go. We have already touched this box. You know what happens when we touch this box. We touch this box area for this pin bar once. This is the second one twice. So maybe what will actually happen is once we fill this pin bar all the way to 76,000, Immediately at 76,000, we can be looking for a shorting opportunity to come all the way down here and then finishing up this pin bar and probably going to $69 per barrel for Brent oil. So that is my anticipation. So for now, that is what we are going to do on oil. This is a great opportunity, so you don't want to miss it. Then let's look at dollar index. Dollar index has made a new high. We broke the trend line, but we didn't break the support level. So instead, it decided to make a new high. So this is why it's important to wait for the break of the support. So the break of the trend line and the break of support are very, very key. So we already see euro dollar is going all the way to the moon. So probably pound dollar will follow suit. So right now the trend line was broken all the way here. This support level was broken, but this wasn't a very strong support break whatsoever. So we'll probably be aiming for this support level to be broken or sell stops all the way below here if you can trade the dollar index. This would be ideal to wait for. Then once that is done, we'll be looking probably to aim. Okay, where can there be targets on this? Because I don't see any pin bars whatsoever. But this area looks to be like, because if we do not have pin bars in as areas to target, we can always target the consolidations. So we have a consolidation right here. This one looks like a very good consolidation. So this seems like an area that we might actually come to. So this is what I'm anticipating. We might not go all that far with dollar index. I feel it still has more steam to go to the upside. So this is an area we might actually be coming down to, which is 102. So this is something to watch for. So if we do break even further beyond 104 for the dollar on dollar index, then our next stop is 102,500. So that is what I'm actually seeing on dollar index. So now I guess that is all. But for now, let us actually enter into Brent oil because I do see a great opportunity to fill that gap. Then from filling that gap, we can actually look for sales to the bottom. Yeah, so here we go. So one lot. Though somebody was asking if we do live trading. We do market analysis and live trading. For those who actually saw this account when it first started on 50K, now we're on 90K. So that just shows that everything we do here we take seriously. So I think a 10 lot will be actually good enough. So let us actually close this. Oh no, we can actually keep it open. Right. So we are looking to fill up the gap. That's one thing you should know. We're looking to fill up the gap on Brent oil. So that is our go on Brent oil. So once we fill up the gap, then we can be looking to come all the way back down here. So that is the trade idea we have on right now. So everybody who has seen this is a great opportunity to jump into Brent oil, and all the best to that. So any questions? Goth asks 10 lots. How do you sleep? Well, the risk overall is not that much because if this trade does work out, that's like $2,000 profit. Yeah, and if it does go to the downside, that should be also another 2,000. So we'll know if we do go the way down here, this is going to be like 3,000. We can cut our losses because I do believe the best risk, like what I can say at okay, I'm comfortable losing, is probably up to $4,000, $3,000. Because yeah, this is rather a big account. I can say. So that's the thing. That's the thing. Let's see the comments. Okay. All right. Damn, this deep. I thought their lowest account was 18,008. Okay. Right. Any other questions or pairs that you'd like us to look at? Because I think we have covered mostly everything. I have also talked enough. So yeah, I believe for now we are done. Ria, you can come out from hiding now.
I'm back.
Yes.
I'm back. All right. So are we all done then? That's it?
Yep, we are done.
All right. Well, everybody, I do want to let you guys know that we still have our Halloween promotion going on right now. You can get 35% off right now on any of our accounts. So be sure to head over to our website and check out the promotion. But it does end. Let's see, what time is it right now in Central European time? Can you help me out, Barry?
Wait, you say what time is it ending?
What? No, I'm asking you, what time is it right now in Central European?
That should be 21.
20,
Yeah,
21,
22.
21, 22. Okay, so we have until tomorrow, midnight, CET, to get 35% off. So go ahead and take advantage of that.
Yeah, indeed.
All right, other than that, guys, thanks for hanging out with us and taking a look at these charts. And we hope you guys have a good rest of your week. Hopefully you guys walk away with some profits. And we will see you all on Sunday.